Hello everyone, and welcome to this comparison between Framer versus Webflow. Which website builder is the best? Well, if you're looking for a powerful no-code website builder, you've likely come across Framer and Webflow. Both are industry leaders, but they cater to slightly different needs. In this video, we're putting them head to head to help you decide which one is the best fit for your project. We have the links in the description below, so you can go ahead and choose any of these options after this video. And starting with the features, Framer's focus is a design-first approach, emphasizing visual creation and animation. The key features include intuitive canvas-based editor, powerful animation and interactive tools, built-in CMS, AI-powered design assistance, and component-based design system. Webflow, on the other hand, focuses on bridging the gap between design and development, offering more control over underlying code. The key features include visual canvas with HTML and CSS control, a robust CMS for dynamic content, e-commerce capabilities, advanced interactions and animations, and SEO tools. Now, when it comes to the pricing, Framer has two pricing structures. The personal site plans, which is for hosting and publishing websites. You have the free, and this is for hobbyists. It is quite limited, but you also have the mini at $5 per month when billed annually, the basic at $15 per month, and the pro at $30 per month, all billed annually. On the other hand, you have the business plans, and this is really for team collaboration with more features and integrations. You have the launch plan at $75 per month and the pro at $200 per month. The enterprise gives you the option to create a unique system, and you'll need to get your custom pricing from the customer service. Webflow, on the other hand, has different plans divided into two main categories: general for sites and the e-commerce websites. Under general for the website plans, you have the free with Webflow, subdomain and branding. If you want to break through all of that, you have the basic at $14 monthly when billed annually, CMS at $23 monthly, the business at $39 monthly, and all these rates are when you're billed annually. You also have the enterprise plan, and you need to contact Webflow for your custom pricing. The e-commerce has its plans starting at $29 per month when billed annually. And now to the pros and cons, starting with Framer. Framer is incredibly intuitive for designers. It offers stunning animation and interaction possibilities. AI features can speed up workflows, and we love that. Great. And it's also great for landing pages and portfolio websites. Webflow, on the other hand, with its pros, has more control over website structure and code, robust CMS for complex content-driven sites. It's also strong for e-commerce functionality and a powerful SEO optimization tool. On the flip side with the cons, Framer can be less feature-rich for complex multi-page websites with extensive CMS needs compared to Webflow. E-commerce functionality is more limited. Webflow, with its cons, has a steeper learning curve, especially for those without design or basic web development background. It also can be more expensive for larger high-traffic sites or for those needing extensive e-commerce features. Now, when it comes to ease of use, Framer generally is considered easier to pick up, especially for those with design tool experience. The drag-and-drop interface and intuitive animation tools are beginner-friendly. Webflow, on the other hand, has a more complex interface that requires a better understanding of web design principles. While powerful, it can be intimidating for complete beginners. In conclusion, which will we pick? The truth is, it depends on your specific needs and your background. You can choose Framer if you prioritize visual design, stunning animations, and ease of use, especially for portfolios, landing pages, and simpler websites. You can go ahead and choose Webflow if you need more control over website structure, a robust CMS for complex content, powerful e-commerce features, and if you are comfortable with a steeper learning curve. Both Framer and Webflow are incredible tools. The best way to find out which one clicks with you is to try them out yourself. Well, check out Framer and Webflow using the links in the description. If you found this helpful, do let us know, and thanks for watching.